one company sold unbreakable glass. Unbreakable glass is a special type of product used for a variety of purposes. The company usually holds an annual awards ceremony to encourage sales representatives. At the event, an award will be presented to the best-selling sales agent of the year. So, the day of the colorful award ceremony for the sales agent of the year came soon. Many of the company's sales representatives had sold goods that worth of hundreds of thousands of dollars. Meanwhile, the sales agent who brought in $1 million in revenue to the business received the award for the best sales agent of the year. The business president was very pleased with him because he was 10 times more talented than the other employees. The chairman asked how you made so many sales. Sir, it's very simple. I set aside 5 minutes for one customer, so I can meet a lot of customers in a day, the sales representative said. So how do you sell glass? The chairman asked further questions. I usually never say a word to the customer about the quality of our unbreakable glass, but I carry a hammer. It then strikes the glass for the customer to see, so the glass does not break. Because the quality of our product proves right in front of their eyes, the customer who needs glass will definitely buy our product, he explained. After this story, all the other sales representatives of that company used the above tactic. A competitive year has passed and a new year has dawned. The awards night was organized that year as well. There all the sales representatives of the glass company had sold glass 5 times more than last year, because they showed the quality of their product right in front of the customer. But that same year, the best seller of the year award went to the same person who won the previous year's award, because he had sold 10 times as much glass this year as his colleagues. The chairman was surprised and happy about this. How did you do it this time? The chairman asked curiously. Sir, it's very simple. Last year, almost of all our friends hammered into the glass and showed the customer the quality of our product. So, I had to find another different selling method. So this time, I handed the hammer to the customer and told him to hit the glass with the hammer. So the customer had a chance to know from experience that we are stronger. Then the customer will not have any doubts about the product. He explained the practical theory to the chairman. The change is very relative. So, changes need to be constantly updated. The real difference is not in doing what others do, but in changing what others do not do or changing what others do. A small change can have a big impact. When doing anything, don't forget to give the little change a little space in life, because it can completely change your life. Think to think. Goodbye. Subscribe us for more.